So I figured out a short time ago that I could do the voice from Smeagol from Lord of the Rings, so I figured I'd make a video just to mess around and have a little fun with it. And so I'm going to do a few impressions. First one I'd like to do is Clinton after the sex scandal.
We did not have sexual relations with that woman.
And then, let's see, one of the other things I wanted to do was a remix of the song Love by Nat King Cole. Just the chorus though, because that's what truly would be most amusing to me.
L is for the way you look to us. O is for the only one we see. V is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone could love.
And of course, there's always the necessities whenever anyone goes to mimic Smeagol.
My precious
Golem.